Hello my billionaire family, how are you guys doing? So today's tutorial will be on how to apply your foundation for beginners. So just please keep on watching. Just ignore my clients. So this makeup, I'm doing it for her for photo shoot. Just ignore her with how I spray her face. Just look at the way she reacts. So because she did not normally do makeup very well, so she just want to do this makeup for her photo shoot for her birthday. So what I'm doing now, I'm using Stay Matte primer for her because of she have oily skin. So that is what I'm basically doing now. I'm using my fluffy mouth brush to apply it to the area that she do sweat a lot. So the next thing, I'm using this Fina foundation, this two Fina shade foundation, and I'm mixing it inside this like this pan in my hand here. So the next thing, I'm using the foundation flat mouth brush to just apply it on her skin before going back to use brush to blend it. So just look at what I'm doing now. So sometimes I do use brush to apply it like this, or sometimes I'll just go with my beauty blender to start using it to apply it, but now I'm just using brush. So this is what I'm doing now. So if you don't have the person exact shade, you can just go to you can just use two shade lighter, and you can use two shade. What I mean is that you can use two shade foundation or three shade foundation. You can mix them together to get the perfect shape of that person. Make sure the face match the neck and the chest when applying your foundation on that person's face. You don't want to, whereas your face will be more lighter than the chest, or chest lighter than the face. So you must make it to match each other, because if the person want to take picture, you should not see difference. So the next thing I'm using beauty blender to blend it to enter her skin very well, because she's using it for photo shoot and the makeup has to be stay long a little bit on her face. So I'm using beauty blender to blend it into her skin very well now. If you notice, I'm still using that brush to apply it very well to the neck and her face. So the next thing, I'm using LA Pro concealer in front to highlight. That's what I'm using now. Because she did not want the makeup to be too much, so I'm just making all what I'm doing. I'm making it light for her. So that is why. So now I'm using the same beauty blender that I used to blend the foundation. I'm using the same beauty blender to blend the highlight, to blend the concealer to her face very well, to her skin very well. So that is what I'm basically doing now. So do let me know if you have any question about foundation or makeup or the routine. Just let me know at the comment section if you do have any question. And all my products are so affordable. The product I'm using, like this Fina foundation that I'm using now, The foundation is so affordable, guys. Foundation is so affordable. So do let me know if you have any question. So the next thing, I'm using Advo palette powder to apply to the area that I highlight. So I'm using that. Before I do just go with highlight powder, but now I love doing this process. So this is what I'm basically doing now. So if you want to see the other parts where me doing the eyebrow, doing the finishing look of this, do let me know at the comment section. Do let me know. So that is basically it about the foundation routine. So this is it. Make sure your foundation match with the chest. Make sure your foundation match with the chest. If you're applying your foundation, you don't want to wear your face will be lighter than the neck. So I'm just using this powder to just blend the rest of the face. So that is what I'm doing now. So there's part 2 and part 3 of the continuation of this. I don't want this video to be too long, so if you want to see like part 2 of this, do let me know at the comment section. Do let me know. I'll be glad to upload it. Like the eyebrow, I'll be glad to upload it. So that is it. That is it about the foundation routine. So that is it. Alright, I'll talk to you in the next one. I will not be showing this here, I'll be showing it in part 2 of it.